Mrs. Singley, here with another lesson. Today's lesson is on point of view. And point of view is how a character feels or acts. And a big clue is what the character says or what the character does. And I'm going to be looking into this book, The Large Wonders, and the story we're going to look at is Lost Button with Frog and Toad. Hopefully you've had a chance to read that. We're going to use point of view using this story. Let me show you what I created. It says point of view is a way a character feels or thinks. He's got a thinking bubble here. He's really thinking. And a big clue is, what does the character say? Like Toad in our story, he says, "Drat!" I think he's upset. When he says drat, I think he's feeling upset. Or what does a character do? Look at this character. He's screaming and jumping. He doesn't look very happy, does he? So part of point of view is what the characters say. We call that dialogue. When people are having a conversation between two or more people in a book, a movie, or a play. Today we're going to use the book, our Wonders book. So why is this important? Why is point of view important to learn? Well, this helps you understand the story and what it's about. It also helps you learn why a character acts or feels a certain way. And here's a picture for you. This is dialogue. Two people are talking to each other. I thought this was a very good picture of point of view. This man sees the number 6, but the man on the other side, he sees this as a 9. It depends on your point of view, the way you're looking at things. Well, here's a really good example of point of view. We have 3 characters here. And in each picture or each scenario, it's raining. The first lady says, "This rain is going to damage all of my equipment." The equipment is her microphone and her notepad. I think she's feeling pretty upset about the rain, and she's worried that it's going to ruin her equipment. Let's go to the Panda Bear. Panda Bear says, "This rain is helping my plant grow." I think Panda Bear is feeling good about the rain, and he's smiling, and he's excited that the plant is going to grow. Then we have another lady here, and she's saying, "My wedding is ruined because of the rain." I think she's feeling very sad by what she said. She thinks her wedding is ruined, and she is sad. Okay, now we're going to fill in a chart, and we're going to look at the character, the clue, which could be what the character says or what the character does, and what we think their point of view is. So here comes the first one. Okay, Toad is talking, and he says, "Not only do my feet hurt, but I have lost one of the buttons on my jacket." How do you think Toad is feeling? Well, I think Toad is feeling bad. He's not happy. He feels bad and upset. Okay, let's look at another one. On another page, it says, Toad, he jumped up and down and screamed. When somebody screams and is jumping up and down, especially with the picture, he looks very upset. He is very upset. Okay, on the very last page, we're talking about Frog. And it says he put it on, which is the new jacket that Toad gave him. He put it on and jumped for joy. If he's jumping for joy, he's feeling what? Happy. If you're jumping for joy, you're happy. I bet you can do a few more. Maybe you can look in the story of Frog and Toad and find some more dialogue, or maybe some action, and see how does Frog or Toad feel. Okay, good job on Point of View today.